In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI ChatGPT. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. OpenAI has recently developed a chat bot. It has been designed to generate text with a more natural flow, giving you the feeling of conversing with a real person. If you want to know how to use ChatGPT, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the search box, type in openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. From the main homepage, scroll down and click on ChatGPT. Now, click on the Try ChatGPT button. Once you end up in this page, you'll need to go ahead and log into your OpenAI account to continue with ChatGPT. If you've not opened an account for OpenAI, click on the sign up link and follow the on-screen prompts. If you already have an account for OpenAI, click on login. Log in with your email address and your password, or continue logging in with your Google account or Microsoft account. If you want to type in the email, type in the email address in the email address text box and click continue on the next page. It'll ask you to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your password in the text box and click on the continue button. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your ChatGPT from OpenAI. Now, the OpenAI ChatGPT tool is designed to give you detailed responses to any queries that you type. You can type in anything from questions to statements. For example, go to the search box at the bottom and type in any question or statement you'd like to ask to the ChatGPT bot. Once you type in your question, click on this little arrow at the right-hand side and wait for the response to be typed in. You'll get a detailed response as you can see on the display. That is how you'll be able to use ChatGPT. All you need to do is type in a statement or a question that you want information about and you'll be able to use the service right away. That's how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.